There are two CFC systems on board. This is one of them, but they're basically the same thing. And CFCs have been measured reliably for a long time. What we're doing on this cruise is we're trying to add the SF6 component. So basically, this is a gas chromatography, a gas chromatograph with the two electron capture detectors inside it. This unit here has all the valves and everything that controls the flows that we need to strip the seawater samples and do the calibrations using gas standards and control the flows that are needed for everything else. So to start with, you have a sample. In this case, we're collecting our samples in a bottle. That's a change. Normally they're collected in a syringe for CFCs. The important thing is to sample with absolutely no bubbles in it, because if you have bubbles in it, then you'll transfer, because of the compounds are happier in the gas phase, they can transfer out of the water, so you get an error in your analysis. When you run a sample, this would fill up to a fixed volume and then bubbles would come through it. All the large lengths of stainless steel you can see in here, those are all different volumes of loops which are used for calibration. Having done all that, everything is computer controlled, and you'll end up with traces like this. So we have two detectors. The top one here shows two peaks. The first one is SF6, which is what we're interested in there, and the second one is it's Freon 12, but we're not interested in that one. The second one is for just the Freons, where we've got a peak here for the Freon 12. This one is Freon 11. And then this wide one out here is Freon 113, which is another one that we can measure and use as a tracer.